Not the best way, not the best view for the crossing right now, but East 9th Street, Cookeville, Tennessee Railroad crossing. Alright, we got a WRRS, WCH, or FS cantilever signal. Still don't know how to identify these. 6560-2. Crossing information. Western Cohen Hayes 8-inch lights on, I believe, a Modern Industries light clamp. Yeah, Modern Industries light clamp. And with a dot tag from the Louisville and Nashville. And the lights, I believe, are... Those are Federal Signal Western Cohen Division lights, I think. Yes, they are. Alright, second signal. Alright, this is a lot better, but second signal. Here's this one's base with a wad of trash. Still no identification for it. Crossing information. Ow. Modern Industry 8-inch lights of a Modern Industries white clamp. WRRS mechanical bell. I do have like two or three videos of this bell actually ringing on the Cookeville train trip. And then Modern Industries 12 by 24-inch lights on the cantilever. That's all for this crossing. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all in the next one.